Okay guys, welcome to this video looking at multiplying algebraic fractions, and the last question here is looking at solving an algebraic fractions involving subtraction. Okay, so this is again like another hot topic here for like a paper 2 higher tier specifically. Okay, but question 1 actually could appear at the end of like a foundation tier paper. Okay, so this is question number 1, guys, so let's go. Okay, so simplify x over 4 times x over 5. So when I multiply fractions here, I times the top numbers together and the bottom numbers together. X times x is equal to x squared, and then 4 times 5 is 20, so I get x squared over 20, or I can write it as a 20th x squared. Okay, either way would obviously suffice. Okay, so I'll multiply the numerators together and I'll multiply the denominators together and simplify where possible. Question number 2, simplify this. I do 2x times y, which is going to be 2xy. Y times x is equal to xy or yx. Okay, I can now simplify by dividing top and bottom by x and dividing top and bottom by y, and the answer that I just actually get here is just the answer of 2. Okay, because I get 1, 1, 1, and 1. I get 2 times 1 times 1, which is 2, all over 1 times 1 actually, which is going to be 1, which just gives you the answer of 2, guys. Okay. Question number 3, okay, simplify this. X times a is going to be ax or xa. Okay, I write it here in like alphabetical order here to make it easier. Y times b is equal to by, and that's my final answer. Question number 4 here is a bit more trickier. I've got this fraction here times this fraction. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to do a bit of just simplifying here for like each part. So I can divide top and bottom by x minus 1. I can divide top and bottom by x plus 2 for the second fraction. So what do I have left? Well, I have x lots of x minus 5. So I have x lots of x minus 5 all over 2 lots of x minus 1. Okay, and that would obviously be my final answer. Now I can of course expand it. Okay, believe it or not, actually, it will also suffice here in your paper 2 or paper 3 exam. Okay, question number 5 actually. So this one here is from like an AQA like higher tier paper. I think it's from actually, I think it's from the November 2017 actually, paper 2 actually, or the June actually 2017, either one actually. So solve the equation here. So it is actually worth 6 marks here, so it's quite like a tricky question. Okay, yeah, so solve this actually, giving your answer, I believe here, to 2 different places here. It says on the exam. So 2DP, so obviously taking our time here. So I've got like a subtraction here, so it's, I'm minusing algebraic fractions. So the first part is to write this all under like a common denominator here. So I'll do it on like a separate bit of paper. Okay. Oh, I might have to put it down first, sorry. I'll actually flip it here to have a bit more space. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay. So I'll work out here, sorry about this, guys, I apologize. Because I haven't got much space. So I'm going to have x lots of x plus 2. Okay. So cross multiply and then minus 4 lots of 2x, which would be minus 8x, all over 4 brackets x plus 2. And that has to equal the number 1. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense, guys. So I've cross multiplied here, and now I'm going to simplify it. Yeah, that's one numerator. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 8x. So on the top, I'm going to have, I'll put it here actually, I'm going to have x squared minus 6x all over, because I have 2x minus 8x, which gives me that minus 6x. On the bottom, I'm going to have 4x plus 8, and that has to equal to the number 1 here. So it's a separate question, guys. Sorry for the actual lack of space here. Sorry, it's not like a lot of space in here. I'm now going to times up by 4x plus 8. So I get x squared minus 6x is equal to 4x plus 8. Subtract 4x, subtract the 8. So I've got a quadratic here in the form ax squared minus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a quadratic here must always equal, minus 10x, I apologize. Minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, and then, I'd obviously solve it here by putting it into your quadratic formula here. So a is equal to 1, b equals 10, and c is minus 8. Okay, sorry, if that's your lack of spacing. So I'm going to have x is equal to minus b, which is going to be minus 10. Oh, sorry, it is already minus 10, actually, I apologize. It'd be minus 10, actually, so it'd be plus 10, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, so that's going to be 100, take away 4 lots of 1 is going to be 4 times -8 is going to be plus 32, okay, all over 2 times 8, which is going to be 2, okay. Paying this into my calculator, and then I will obviously get like two solutions here. So you get, I think you'll get like x is equal to minus 0.74, and then I'm not sure, but the other one is here. But yeah, if you put it into your calculator, you obviously get 2 solutions, because I've got like a plus and minus here. So your solution is, x is equal to 10 plus or minus the square root of 132 all over 2. So pin that into your calculator, and then you'll obviously get an answer, okay? So sorry guys, if actually wasn't actually very clear actually, but that one was quite like a nasty, like an algebraic actually fraction, question. So I cross multiplied, okay, and then obviously I simplified it where actually possible, okay, so I made it so I had like a quadratic equation, okay. It has to always be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A quadratic must always equal to 0, guys, for me to actually solve. So it cannot equal to a number, okay. It has to always equal to 0 actually, but hopefully it makes sense, guys, okay. Any questions any queries put it in the comment section. Sorry for like a little rush, like late night video. Hopefully it makes sense here. So this last one it was from like an exam paper, but this video it was looking at multiplying algebraic fractions. Hopefully it makes sense. Just obviously summarize, when I multiply algebraic fractions I times the numerator together, and then I times the denominator together, and then I simplify where possible, okay, by cancelling out here, obviously where possible, okay. So these are very common questions in like a typical paper 2, paper 3 exam, okay. Hopefully it makes sense, okay. Any questions, any queries, guys, put it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and please do obviously check me out here on my TikTok here and my YouTube channel as well, okay. I'll see you in the next one, okay. Bye for now. Good luck with your exams, okay. Speak soon, okay. All the best with paper 2. Bye for now. Take care. All the best, guys.